హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ధృవి అకాడమిక్ ఛానల్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఛానల్. ఇందులో ఎడ్యుకేషన్కి సంబంధించిన వీడియోస్ అన్ని అప్లోడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అండ్ సపోర్ట్ మై ఛానల్. మీరు కనుక నా ఛానల్ ఫస్ట్ టైం వచ్చేస్తే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. సబ్స్క్రైబే కాదు, లైక్ కూడా చేయండి. లెట్స్ బిగిన్ అవర్ క్లాస్. ఈరోజు టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు లర్న్ ప్రీవియస్ బిట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ఫిజికల్ సైన్స్. Water is available in dash states. Is it 1 or B or 2? It's a C, 3 or D, 4. Which is the right answer? Water is available in, these are the basic questions. Water is available in 3 states. C is the right answer. Like solid, liquid and gaseous state. 3 states water is available. The process of conversion of water into water vapor is called. Is it condensation, B melting, it's C evaporation, or D it's a solidification? The process of conversion of water into water vapor is called, it's a evaporation. C is the right answer. Like liquid is changes into gaseous state. Example. Next, ice changing into water is called. Is it melting, or B condensation, C evaporation, or D solidification? Which is the right answer? Ice changes, ice into water when ice is changes into water, ice అనేది melt అవుతుంది కదా, so it changes into water, so it's A is the melting is the right answer. When we comes to a condensation, what is condensation? What is nothing but it's a condensation is nothing but water vapors changes into water when cooled. That is called as a condensation. And evaporation, just we learned what is evaporation. Evaporation is nothing but the process of conversion of water into water vapor is called evaporation. And what is our solidification? Solidification is nothing but when the change of water into ice, water into the water అనేది it changes into ice, that state is called as a solidification. Temperature of boiling water. What is the temperature of a boiling water? Is it 0 degrees Celsius, B it's 1000 degrees Celsius, or C it's a 10 degrees Celsius, or D 100 degrees Celsius? Which is the right answer? The temperature of the boiling water, it's a D. These all are previous. This is a previous bit. The temperature of boiling water is 100 degrees Celsius. Next. Small objects revolving around the sun like planets are called. Is it comets, or it's meteors, or it's asteroids, or it's a meteorites? Which is the right answer? Small objects revolving, the small objects revolve around the sun like planets, but name antaru. Its answer is asteroids. This is the right answer. The biggest of all planet is the 1 Earth, it's a 2 Jupiter, it's a 3 Mercury, it's a 4 Saturn. Which is the right answer? The biggest of all planet, biggest planet ఏది? Its answer is a Mercury. Sorry, the biggest of all planet is it's a Jupiter. 2 is the right answer. Jupiter అనేది it's a biggest planet. If they ask about a smallest planet ante, it will be a Mercury. This will be a smallest, and Jupiter will be a biggest planet. The nearest planet to the sun, is it 1 Earth, 2 Venus, 3 Jupiter, or 4 Mercury? The nearest planet, which is the nearest planet to the sun? Sun ki nearest planet edi? This will be a Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet, nothing but it's a closest planet to the sun. Earth అనేది it's a third planet. Earth అనేది it's a third planet. Next, an object which comes from outer space burns and falls on the earth producing craters. Is it a meteor, or it's a comet, or it's a meteorite, or it's a fourth one asteroid? Which is the right answer? The burns and falls on the earth producing craters, or that is called as a meteorite. This is the right answer. Next, pole star does not change its position with respect to earth because it is a near to it is near great bear, it is a big star, it is near small bear, or it is know the axis of rotation of earth. Pole star does not change its position with respect to the earth because it is know the axis or rotation of the earth. This will be a right answer. Next one, a small group of star near the elliptic is called. Is it 1 galaxy, 2 constellation, 3 it's a zodiac sign, or 4 all the above? Which is the right answer? A small group of star near to the ecliptic is called దాన్ని ఏమంటారంటే ఇట్స్ అ కాన్స్టలేషన్. 2 is the right answer. What is about galaxy? Galaxy అంటే తెలిసిందే కదా మనకి. ఇట్స్ అ కలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఎ గ్యాస్, డస్ట్ and billions of stars are there in the solar system. That is called as a galaxy. Number of satellites revolving around the Jupiters are. Jupiters around how many satellites are revolving? Its answer is 16. 16 satellites are revolving around the Jupiter. 16 is the right answer. Next, a star is a self-luminous body emitting heat and light. 1. Due to bumming charcoal, or it's due to bumming gases, or 3. Due to chemical reactions, 4. Due to nuclear reaction. Which is the right answer? Its answer is, they are asking about self-luminous body emit heat and light. So it will be a fourth one, due to nuclear reactions. Like example, sun. Sun is a self-luminous body emitting heat and the light. If they ask about a if they ask about non-luminous body, kindane undi bit. This is a non-luminous body among the following. Which is the sun, 2 moon, is it 3 earth, 4 2 and 3. Which is the right answer? If they ask about a non-luminous body body is nothing but does not produce its own light, although it reflects light from other sources. Example like moon and sun. Fourth one is the right answer. They are a non-luminous body. They cannot they don't produce the light, own light అనేది ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేయవు, బట్ ఆల్దో దే రిఫ్లెక్ట్ ద లైట్ ఫ్రమ్ అదర్ సోర్సెస్. 2 and 3 is the right answer. No, they are the non-luminous body. Next, farthest planet from the sun. Is it 1 Mercury, 2 Neptune, or 3 it's a Sagittarius, 4 Aries? Which is the right answer? The farthest planet from the sun, it's a Neptune. Neptune is the farthest దూరంగా planet. It's దూరంగా ఏదంటే ఫ్రమ్ ద సన్కి దూరంగా ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ఇందాక నేను చెప్పాను, మెర్క్యూరీ ఈజ్ ద నియరెస్ట్ ప్లానెట్ టు ద సన్. మనకి ఏది నియరెస్ట్ ప్లానెట్ టు ద సన్ అంటే మెర్క్యూరీ. విచ్ ఇస్ ద ఫార్ అంటే ఇట్స్ అ నెప్ట్యూన్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, సన్ హ్యాస్ డాష్ ప్లానెట్. ఇస్ ఇట్ 9 2 8 3 6 and 4 5? Which is the right answer? Sun has 8 planets kada. The 8 planets of the solar system the sun have. The smallest planet in size is Mercury, 1 Mercury, 2 Earth, 3 Mars, 4 Venus. Which is the right answer? The smallest planet in size. If they are asking about a size, the Mercury will be a smallest in size. నెక్స్ట్ మనకి ఎర్త్ అనేది ఇట్స్ అ 5th లార్జెస్ట్ ప్లానెట్. ఇఫ్ దే ఆస్క్ అబౌట్ ఎర్త్ మీన్స్ ఎర్త్ విల్ బీ 5th లార్జెస్ట్ ప్లానెట్. ఎర్త్ అనేది 5th లార్జెస్ట్ ప్లానెట్ అండ్ వీనస్ అనేది ఇట్స్ అ సెకండ్ ప్లానెట్. మార్స్ అనేది ఇట్స్ అ 4th ప్లానెట్. మెర్క్యూరీ అనేది తెలుసు కదా, ఇట్స్ అ ఫస్ట్ ప్లానెట్. దీస్ ఆర్ అబౌట్ ఆ ప్లానెట్స్. నెక్స్ట్, ద ప్లానెట్ హూస్ అట్మాస్ఫియర్ contains some oxygen and water vapor is dash. Is it Mercury, 2 Mars, 3 Venus, or 4 Jupiter? Which is the right answer? The planet having whose atmosphere contains some oxygen and water vapor, ఏ ప్లానెట్లో ఉంటుంది? ఇట్స్ అ మెర్క్యూరీ is the right answer. The planet having 2 big ring-like structure is 1 Mercury, 2 Mars, 3 Saturn, and 4 Uranus. Which is the planet having 2 ring-like structure? 2 ring-like structures ఇలా ఉంటుంది కదా, 2 ring-like structures. Which planet that having? It's a Saturn. The first Indian satellite was, is it a Bhaskara or Juna or Aryabhatta or INSAT 2? Which is the right answer? The first Indian satellite. It's a 3 is the Aryabhatta is the right answer. If they ask about the earth first artificial satellite ఏది అని అడిగితే in exam they that is the previous bit here, it is not the here. The earth first artificial satellite ఏంటంటే స్పుతిక్ 1 ఎప్పుడు డిస్కవర్ చేశారంటే ఇట్ వాజ్ discovered on October 4th in the year 1957. If they ask about a earth first artificial satellite గురించి అడిగితే ఇట్స్ స్పుతిక్ 1. It was discovered in October 4th in the year 1957. Distance between the sun and the earth is it 1.5 into 10 to the power of 11 kilometers or 1.5 into 10 to the power of 10 kilometers, or third one it's a 1.5 into 10 to the power of 11 meters, or fourth one it's 1.5 into 10 to the power of 10 meters. Which is the right answer? Its answer is 3. 1.5 into 10 to the power of 11 meters. This is the right answer. Ante distance between the sun and the earth it's 1.5 into 10 to the power of 11 meters, or it will be a 93 million miles, or it will be a or it will be a 93 million miles. Next, heliocentric theory was proposed by whom? Is it Ptolemy, it's Copernicus, third one Newton, or it's a Kepler? Who proposed the heliocentric theory? We know that this is also previous bit. Heliocentric theory was proposed by Copernicus. This is the right answer. Next, geocentric theory was proposed by whom? Ptolemy, it's a Brahe, or it's a Kepler, or four it's a Copernicus. Which is the right answer? Geocentric theory ever proposed చేశారు? Geocentric theory was proposed by Ptolemy. This is also a previous bit. Next, the scientist who supported heliocentric theory, is it Ptolemy, 2 Newton, it's a 3 Tycho Brahe, or it's a fourth one Copernicus? Which is the right answer? The scientist who supported ever support చేశారు heliocentric theory? It's a 3 Tycho. This is the right answer. Next, the planet revolve around the sun in elliptical orbit was proposed by whom? Is it 1 Ptolemy, 2 Kepler, 3 it's a Tycho Brahe, or fourth one it's a Copernicus? The planet revolve around the sun in elliptical orbit అని చెప్పింది ప్రపోజ్ చేసింది ఎవరు? It's a Copernicus. This is also previous bit. 4 is the right answer. Next one, Copernican theory was developed by Kepler and introduced that planets revolve around the sun in dash orbit. Is it in circular orbit, or is it a 2 elliptical orbit? Third one it's a conical orbit. Fourth one it's a none. It's a answer is a revolve around the sun in a elliptical orbit. 2 is the right answer. Next, dash data on a planetary motion was analyzed and introduced by Kepler laws of motion. Is it 1 Ptolemy, 2 Copernicus, 3 it's a Tycho Brahe, or fourth one it's a Newton? Which is the right answer? It's a planetary motion was analyzed and introduced by Kepler law of motion. It's a 3 is the Tycho Brahe. This is the right answer. Next, the law of period states that T is directly proportional to R squared. Second, T squared directly proportional to it's a R cubed. Third one, T is proportional it's a proportional to it's a R cubed, or fourth one it's a R square, it's a proportional to directly proportional to T cubed. Which is the right answer? Its answer is a the law of period states that it's a 2 is the right answer. T is directly proportional to R cubed. T is nothing but it's a time period, and R is nothing but it's a mass of a body at its radius. Next, unit of universal gravitational constant G. 1 it's a n meter squared kilogram squared, or 2 it's a n meter squared kg minus 1, n meter squared kg minus 2, it's a n n m square, it's a m minus 2 kg square, which is the right answer. Unit of universal gravitational constant g, which is the right answer. It will be a fourth one, n m minus 2 kg square. The numerical value of g equal to n meter square kg minus 2 is number. How much value is it? 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11. Second one, 66.7 into 10 to the power of minus 11. Is it 667 into 10 to the power of minus 11? Fourth one, it's a 0.667 into 10 to the power of minus 11, which is the right answer. Its value will be 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11. This will be a right answer. Next, what happened when pith ball and stone were dropped simultaneously from the same height? వాట్ హ్యాపెన్, ఎప్పుడు మన పిత్ బాల్ అనేది బాల్లా ఉంటుంది కదా, అది వెయిట్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. సో ఆ డ్రాప్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ వన్ పిత్ బాల్ రీచెస్ ద గ్రౌండ్ ఫస్ట్, అది రీచ్ అవుతుంది గ్రౌండ్కి ఫస్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ స్టోన్ రీచెస్ ద గ్రౌండ్ ఫస్ట్, స్టోన్ రీచ్ అవుతుంది గ్రౌండ్కి ఫస్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ పిత్ బాల్ డస్ నాట్ రీచెస్ ద గ్రౌండ్, అది పిత్ బాల్ అనేది గ్రౌండ్కి రీచ్ కాదు. ఇట్స్ అ ఫోర్త్ వన్, ఇట్స్ మిస్టేక్ హియర్. బోత్ రీచెస్ ద గ్రౌండ్ అట్ ఎ టైమ్, విచ్ ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. పిత్ బాల్ అనేది అది వెయిట్ ఉంటుంది కదా, బాల్ అనేది ఇట్ విల్ బీ అ వెయిట్. సో బోత్ విల్ బీ రీచెస్ ద గ్రౌండ్ అట్ ఎ టైమ్. ఫోర్త్ వన్ ఇస్ దిస్ విల్ బీ అ రైట్ ఆన్సర్. Who made an experiment from the leaning tower of Pisa that a feather and a metal coin dropped simultaneously from the same height would reach the ground at the same time? Ever చెప్పారు? Is it Newton? Who did this experiment? Is it Newton? 2, Galileo. 3, it's a Kepler. 4, it's a Ptolemy. Who did this experiment? Feather and a metal coin dropped from a same height would reach the ground at a same time అని చెప్పింది ఎవరు? It's a Galileo. 2 is the right answer. Next, t square by r cubed is a constant represent Kepler's law. Is it 1, orbital, 2, area, 3, law of period of revolution, 4, none, which is the right answer. It's a constant represent Kepler's law. It's a law of period revolution. It will be a law of period revolution. T అనేది తెలుసు కదా, it's a time period, and r is nothing but it's a orbital radius. According to this law, the velocity of the planet increases when it reaches close to the sun. Is it 1, Kepler's orbital law? 2, it's a Kepler's law of area. It's a third one, Kepler's law of period of revolution, and fourth one, none, which is the right answer. According to this law, of velocity of the planet increases when it reaches too close to the sun. దాని ఏమంటారు? ఇట్స్ అ కెప్లర్స్ లా ఆఫ్ ఏరియా. ఇట్ విల్ మే కెప్లర్స్ లా ఆఫ్ ఏరియా. కెప్లర్స్ ఆర్బిటల్ లా అంటే కూడా మనకు తెలిసి ఉండాలి. కెప్లర్స్ ఆర్బిటల్ లా ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఈచ్ ప్లానెట్ ఆర్బిట్ ఇట్స్ రివాల్వ్ అరౌండ్ ద సన్ ఇన్ ఏ ఇట్స్ ఎలిప్స్ కదా, ఎలిప్టికల్ ఆర్డర్. దాన్ని కెప్లర్స్ ఆర్బిటల్ లా అంటారు. అండ్ కెప్లర్ లా ఆఫ్ పీరియాడిక్ revolution is nothing but it's a Kepler law of periodic revolution is nothing but it's the period of revolutions that planet revolve around the sun in a elliptical orbit. It will be a directly proportional to a semi major axis. దాన్ని కెప్లర్ లా ఆఫ్ పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ రెవల్యూషన్ అని అంటారు. నెక్స్ట్, యూనిట్ ఆఫ్ G is it gram, second minus 1, or it's a meter, second plus 2, or the second one it's meter, second minus 1, 4, it's a meter, second minus 2, which is the right answer. It will be a unit of G. What is the unit of G ante? It's a meter per second minus 2. This is the right answer. Fourth one, which of the following does not influence the value of G? Local condition, height. Third one, depth, mass of the object. Which of the following does not influence? ఏది ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ చేయదు the value of G ని? The mass of the object. body weight, that mass of the object does not influence the weight of the g. 4 is the right answer. Next one, relation between the g, small g and the capital G. 1, it's a g is equal to g m by r. It's a 2, g equal to g m square by r. 3, it's a g equal to g m by r square. 4th one, it's a g equal to g square m by r square, which is the right answer. The relation between the small g and the capital G, it's a g is equal to g m by r square. This is the right answer. The mass of the earth m is equal to how much? Is it 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kgs? 2, it's a 6 into 10 to the power of 24 grams, 6 into 10 to the power of 24 pounds, or 6 into 10 to the power of 24 mg, milligram, which is the right answer. The mass of the earth is m is equal to 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. This is the right answer. This is the mass of the earth value. Next, the value of g. What is the value of the small g? Is it 1, 9.8 meter per second square? It's the second one, 0.98 meter per second square, 9.8 meter per second square, 0.098 meter per second square, which is the right answer. The value of the g, the value of the g is 9.8 meter per second square. G is nothing but the g and it tells manaki g is nothing but it's a accelerating gravity on earth. This small g is the accelerating gravity on earth. Gravity on earth. Next, t square by r cubed is a constant to represent Kepler's law. Orbital. Yeah, these are again repeated bits. ఇందాక మనం చేసాం కదా, ఇవన్నీ మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ అయ్యాయి. ఇందాక నేను చెప్పాను కదా, లా ఆఫ్ పీరియాడిక్ రెవల్యూషన్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ లా ఆఫ్ కెప్లర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏరియాస్ అండ్ యూనిట్ ఆఫ్ జీ అంటే ఏంటంటే ఇట్స్ మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్ -2. మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ అయింది బిట్ బై మిస్టేక్, 2 times it repeated. I said the mass of the value of the g is mass of the object and this will be gm square. ఇందాకనే రిపీట్ అయింది బిట్స్. సో the value of the g is 9.8 meter per second square. Next, radius of the earth or is equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter, or it's a 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer. Third one, it's a 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. Or fourth one, it's a 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 centimeter, which is the right answer. The radius of the earth or small r is equal to, it's the radius of the earth is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. These are the values. ఇవన్నీ మనకి values అనేవి గుర్తుండాలి. Then if we get any sums regarding this means we can do. 1 kg weight is equal to how much? Is it 0.98 n, or it's a 2 9.8 dynes, or it's a 3 it's a 98 n, or it's a fourth one 9.8 n, which is the 1 kg weight is equal to fourth one, it's a 9.8 n. Last bit, weight of the object w is equal to, is it a m by g? 1, second one it's a mg, third one it's a g by m, fourth one it's a m plus g, which is the right answer. Weight of the object, it's a mg. Mg is nothing but m is a mass and the g is for the gravitation. So these are the bits. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel.